Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this Resilia Oil of Oregano, 6,000 milligrams with black seeds oil. So its benefits is natural antioxidant. It has a digestive and gut support, immune system support, and it's easy to swallow. So on the back here it says that you just need to grab 2 soft gels, grab your favorite drink. I usually just get water, and you just consume it once per day. So you consume both of the capsules at the same time. Now I'm going to show you what the capsules look like in the inside. This package comes with 60 soft gels and it's really easy to use, so 60 of these. If you don't like the strong taste of liquid oregano oil, these soft gels are a great alternative because you could simply swallow them with water. I like that there's no measuring and no mixing. Just take the soft gels as directed on the package. The formula combines oregano oil and black seed oil in one supplement, which is very convenient. The ingredients are non-GMO and gluten-free. The pouch is lightweight, resealable, as you can see right here. Close it up very easily. And it's easy to store in the kitchen cabinet or just the pantry. The soft gels are a good size and easy to take. Everything arrived well packaged and the bag seals nicely after opening. If you're looking for an easy way to add oregano oil to your daily routine, these soft gels are worth checking out. I like the convenient capsule form and the combination of oregano oil and black seed oil in one product.